Today we have the 2021 DS3. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and media, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our photos. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: Sport, Normal, and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.